Hello friends, have a nice day to you all. Myself Prakash sir of NEET Computer Tutorial Platform. Congratulate you. I have asked you the real answer of the previous video question. The question was, where is the register memory of computer located? Now let us check the real answer of this question. Question number 21. Where is the register memory of computer located? Computer register memory computer केउ जगह अच्छी. The options are within the CPU, within the RAM, inside solid state drive, and within the ROM, and none of the above. The correct answer is inside the CPU. The next question is, first computer in India developed at the Tata Institute using 2700 vacuum tubes called. 2700 vacuum tube यूज करिकरी टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट जो कंप्यूटर तैयारी कराइथिला इंडिया रे प्रथम तार ना एक्चुअली कोन. देन ऑप्शंस आर एनियाक, टिफ्राक, एडसाक, नन ऑफ द अबव. द करेक्ट आंसर इज टिफ्राक. टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फंडामेंटल रिसर्च ऑटोमेटिक कैलकुलेटर and ENIAC, it is the electronic numeric integrator calculator. This is the first programmable electronic general purpose digital computer it has been developed in 1945. And EDSAC, this is the electronic delay storage automatic calculator, the first full size stored program computer, that is EDSAC. So according to this question, TIFRAC is the correct answer. The next question is, the major electronic part used in third generation of a computer is pointed as. Third generation ने जो major electronic part use करा हिथला तारो ना कौन? The correct answer is IC, but that is integrated circuit. Vacuum tube, this is the electronic device used in first generation. VLSIC, very large scale integrated circuit, that is used in fourth generation. Also during this the another microprocessor was also used in fourth generation. Transistor, that is used in second generation. And ULSIT, ultra large scale integration technology, this is the technology used in fifth generation. So the correct answer is integrated circuit IC. Then question number 24 is, which computers act like a server and offer multi-programming and provide support for large database? The options are mainframe computer, supercomputer, microcomputer, mini computer, and all of the above. The real answer is mainframe computer. Supercomputer, it is used for large and complex mathematical computations and powerful than others. Microcomputer, this is the general purpose computer called as general PC, personal computer. Mini computer, these are the small computers, and they are more powerful than microcomputer and less powerful than mainframe computer. So that is why mainframe computer is the correct answer of this question. Question number 25 is, what is the name of a fastest supercomputer of India? India सबुठु fastest supercomputer ना कौन? The correct answer is Param Siddhi A1. Param Siddhi A1. Now I have discussed in right side of the window, I have discussed the speed of the different computers. Param Siddhi A1, the speed is 5.267 petaflops, floating point operation per second. This is the unit used to measure the supercomputer's speed. Sunway Taihu Light, this is the China computer, China supercomputer. Seira, this is the US developed computer. Summit, this is the US developed computer. Fujaku, that is the Japan developed computer. And Frontier, this is the world fastest supercomputer of the world, having 1102 exaflops speed capacity. That is the US manufacturing supercomputer. This is the world's fastest computer of nowadays. Technology invented in the year 1950 to verify the originality of checks in banks and other paper documents called. MICR, OMR, OCR, none of the above. The correct answer is MICR. Magnetic ink character recognition. OMR means optical mark recognition. This is to detect a pen or pencil mark on paper. OCR, that is the optical character recognition, converts an image of a text into a machine readable text format. Then question number 27 is, printers are designed to print color on specific surfaces like plastic and ID card called. जो प्रिंटर रे प्लास्टिक ऊपर प्रिंट करा जाए किंबा आईडी कार्ड ऊपर प्रिंट करा जाए से प्रिंटर को हमें नॉर्मली कौन कहथौ? The correct answer is a dye sublimation printer. Dye sublimation printer. Super tank printer. In case of a super tank printer, what is there? It contains a large refillable ink tanks instead of a replaceable of a ink cartridge. बारंबार ये टैंक रे जो कैट्रिज थाए से कालीटा बारंबार कौन हुए रिफिलिंग करा जाए. इंकजेट प्रिंटर कौन हुए इट यूज लिक्विड इंक फॉर कलर प्रिंट. लेजर प्रिंटर कौन हुए इट यूज लेजर बीम टू हीट ए टोनर एंड एम्बेड ऑन टू द पेपर. सो दैट इज व्हाई dye sublimation printer is the correct answer for this question. Processor contains three sections called arithmetical, logical and cache section, register, cache and logical, ALU, register and control unit, and none of the above. The correct answer is arithmetical and logical unit, register and control unit. This is a container holding a spool of a photographic film, a quantity of ink designed for insertion into a mechanism called. The options are cartridge, color tube, ink bottle, all of the above. So the correct answer is cartridge. The concentric circular path of the surface of a disc on which information is magnetically recorded and from which recorded information is read is termed as sectors, tanks, density, none of the above. The correct answer is tracks. Sector is a subdivision of a track on a magnetic disc or optical disc. Density means the amount of data a disc can store. That is called as density of that disc. Question number 31 is integrated electronic digital circuit that performs the calculations that run a computer and provide the instruction called. The options are IC, processor, motherboard, all of the above. The correct answer is processor. The next question is downloading digital audio and video file from internet server to your desktop or mobile called. इंटरनेट सर्वर रु कौन सी डिजिटल ऑडियो कि वीडियो फाइल डेस्कटॉप कि मोबाइल को डाउनलोड करने को आमे कौन कहती. ऑप्शंस आर टेलीकास्ट, मल्टीकास्ट, ब्रॉडकास्ट, पॉडकास्ट and none of the above. The correct answer is podcast. Broadcast means distribution of audio or video to multiple users. Multicast means sending particular data to a specific group. Telecast means telecommunication by telephone line. What is the base of hexadecimal number system? We know decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. The alternative options are base of 10, base of 8, base of 2, none of the above. The correct answer is point number D, that is none of the above. Because hexadecimal's base is 16. Starting from 0 to 9, 10 digits and A to F has 6 digits, that is 16 digits. Hexadecimal number consists of 16 digits, so that is why its base is 10. Decimal number consists of 10 digits, so that is why its base is 10. Hexadecimal numbers base is 16, decimal numbers base is 10, octal numbers that is consist of 0 to 7, 8 digits, so that is why its base is 8, and binary number is consist of 2 digits, that is 0 and 1, so that is why binary number base is 2. As 16 is not in my option, so that is why D is the correct answer, none of the above. Unit used to measure the speed of a modem. Modem is the physical part that is used for modulation and demodulation. So, what is the unit used to measure the speed of the modem? BPS, gigahertz, terabyte, MIPS, and none of the above. So, the correct answer is point number 1, BPS, bits per second. Modem is the hardware for data modulation and demodulation. Gigahertz, it is a clock of frequency or speed of a processor or CPU. Terabyte, this is the capacity of used to measure a disk. Milli instruction per second, that is measure of a computer performance. Which combination key do you use to reboot the computer? Computer को reboot करिया पाए आमे क्यों combination key व्यवहार करते? The correct answer is Control Alt and Delete. This is the correct answer. Number of pins available in a VGA cable is video graphics array. That is a cable we use from CPU to monitor. In one side of the CPU, one side of the cable, there is a point which we have to lock it inside, just on the back of a CPU or on the back of a monitor. So how many pins are there? 18 pins, 15 pins, 24 pins, and none of the above. The correct answer is 15 pins. There are two types of a VGA cable, 14 pins VGA cable, 15 pins VGA cable. As there is 14 is not in my option, so that is a 15 is the correct answer. What is the default date format of your system? जेतेबेले आमे कंप्यूटर रे प्रथमे ओएस इंस्टॉल करंती सेतेबेले आम कंप्यूटर रे डेट फॉर्मेट डिफॉल्ट डेट फॉर्मेट कोन थाए केउ फॉर्मेट थाए गोटे डेट फॉर्मेट होची DDMMYY गोटे डेट फॉर्मेट होची MMDDYY आ गोटे डेट फॉर्मेट होची YYDDMM. So the correct answer is MMDDYY because this is the American date format and this is the default date format of your system. But in case of Indian, we have to change this default date format into Indian date format, that is DDMMYYYY format. So that is why B is the correct answer for this question. What is the OS used with modern supercomputer? Modern supercomputer क्यों operating system हमें व्यवहार करती? Number 1 is Unix, then Linux, then Windows 10 and none of the above. The correct answer is Linux operating system. Unix operating system mostly used for web server. Windows operating system, it has been introduced in 1985, used in business and professional computer system. And Windows 10 operating system, this is the Microsoft Windows NT operating system supporting networking. Which one of the following is the world first supercomputer? World प्रथम supercomputer किए? CDC 6600, Fujaku, Param 8000 and Cray 1. The correct answer is CDC 6600. It has been released in the year of 1964. Fujaku, this is the fastest supercomputer of Japan, developed in 2014. Param 8000, it is the India's first supercomputer developed in 1991. And Cray 1, it is the supercomputer designed in the year of 1975 by designer Seymour Cray of United States of America. Who is the founder of a computer architecture? This is the last question of this video. Who is the founder of a computer architecture? Computer architecture founder किए? Ada Lovelace, John von Neumann, Reynold B. Johnson, and none of the above. The correct answer is John von Neumann. Ada Lovelace, she is the Lady of London. She is called as the first programmer of the world. And Reynold B. Johnson, he is the founder of a SSD hard disk drive. Then now there is a question for you. Comment me its real answer. The question is who recovers and read damaged and deleted files from criminal's computer? Criminal computer ru delete किबा damage हेतिवा file को किए recover करे? This is the question to you and you have to comment me this answer. Share, subscribe and like our channel for new video notification.